Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Element 3D in After Effects. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you need to visit the official website, which is videocopilot.net, and then buy the software from there. After downloading it, there will be an exe installer to install Element 3D. Now, you need to double click on it, and once you're inside, click on Next. Read all the terms and conditions of the agreement and click on I accept. Now, you just need to keep the settings default and create a new project. After that, you need to go to the Edit tab, navigate to Preferences, and you need to select Scripting and Expressions. Once you're inside it, make sure to enable Allow Scripts to Write Files and Access Network, and click on OK. Next, you need to go to the file and navigate to Project Settings. In Video Rendering and Effects, you need to select Mercury GPU Acceleration CUDA or OpenCL. If you have a very high-end PC, you will see the CUDA OpenCL, so just select it and click on OK. Now, import a video inside the project and get to the Effects tab at the right side. You can then search for elements inside it and use it however you like. So that's basically how you can install Element 3D in After Effects. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.